I can. I mean, we only need one of ours to come back with mine.
I read mine on my volume.
The mark right there.
I almost want to test the auto calls too, but I was like, I can't.
Can't do that.
Dude, I swung it once this weekend. And found $6 the next day.
Thank you for turning the music on.
Minutes.
Should he say? Balls me on the ground.
Oh,
Yeah.
We're missing Nate.
a lot of snowberry.
Yeah.
Love that. You log in, you're like, oh yeah, I have that position.
We get coin over 262 today, or 252 today.
Netflix is up $3 too.
Are you surprised?
Why is
Goku's up $6. Really? I got a real shot. I'm $10 out of the money now. I think I can run. I broke the down. All that. It's up because over the daily down.
So it's also the spy position. So that's why. And we installed it.
This thing gets over 365 and go to 3. Goku could be.
So when I saw Puerto Rico, it was this, but like everyone had like a station, like a station, and it was just it's like this room and just went down this way, maybe 8, 4, 8, and they piped in, Wall Street Jesus over there. So everyone was just like yelling back and forth, like, I did this. It was actually kind of cool.
That's pretty cool.
I want to see that. Like that environment.
Just an FYI, everybody go live, so I wouldn't. No, I know you guys. I'm just saying, whatever you're gonna say, it's all live.
I guess like that.
Yeah,
It's just me and Avery.
No, it's on YouTube.
Oh, no.
It's all good for the gram, baby.
This is water, bro.
It could be worse.
It could be a coffee, man. Coffee.
Could have just removed your tablet.
Nah, it's all right.
Let's see what the was about.
All I care about is Tesla.
Yeah, I'm probably taking profits on Mara.
688 is that
Off open here.
So it's probably going to go up to 688. And then I'll come back down.
I tested that pre-market.
688.
I tested the pre-market.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, it did. And so it filled at pre-market?
That's what I was telling you. It has a legit chance to see 700 plus today. There's the bell.
Ding, 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 ding.
All right.
Of course, I'm only at 25%.
That's awesome.
All right, I'm out of Mara here.
It's got a 680.
Up 80% on Tesla. Fire. All right, AMD is looking strong out the gate here. Back over daily downtrend as well too.
44.
Mars probably going to go 33 here.
You good?
There we go.
I'm keeping AMD on high watch. I expect her to float a likely kind of through here.
Go, Tesla, go.
It wouldn't surprise me if Tesla had rapid flow here soon.
I think AMD's going to get it.
Oh, wow. Yeah, AMD's moving too.
AMD's moving nice. It needs to get over 105.48 for it to start to see a lot of momentum here. The video's over 202 already. See what that's on it.
I am. That's correct.
Uh-oh.
If this thing gets over 688, it's gone. It's gone over 688.
I am up 13 grand.
No way.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was stop loss.
Came out the trenches with that one.
It's 688 right now.
Oh, he said you're sharing your entire thing on your iPad, by the way. Like everything.
screen?
Yeah, everything on your screen. Okay.
Yeah.
Just FYI.
All right, I'm taking profits on my 670s here for Tesla.
Now I'm up 80%. All right. Those Tellys.
All right. I'll play Tesla over 694 today.
I think it's 9.
I don't think it is either. But I had to take. I was 100% on that swing. I had to. Yeah, you're probably right about it not being close to done.
It's just at 689.
What's at resistance right now? So we gotta see this break
It's over.
You didn't sell it yet,
I sold 10 of my 100.
Okay,
of your 100.
I have 100. Yeah.
Okay, we have coin over 256 now as well.
For
So
691.
Going to 700.
Oh, I'm gonna make 6 bands today. Or 100 bands.
100,
Oh my god, it's going.
Tesla.
yeah.
Oh, 22 grand.
you know.
22. Your casino gates. This is where I play.
Jeez.
Oh my god,
691?
Roku's at 350. It's 691.
It would be with the rig.
What's your total percentage P&L on that?
Yeah, it's only been
I'm
3
up
months, so
120%.
we gotta let this settle down. Just a heads up.
No, wait, I'm up 264%.
More coffee.
How much?
Yeah, mark up.
Black or straight? Cream or sugar?
I was just reading the comments.
Yeah. Somebody online on there? Somebody talking online?
Yeah, I think so. Can they hear us?
Oh snap! Here, I can get on voice. Let me flip that. I thought it was on the iPad. Apologies, guys.
Jamie, they were paying.
We're just waiting for it to die down a little bit. Sound around here because we're in a public area, so then we'll start talking more in voice.
Wow, YouTube talking.
That's what I'm saying. They can hear us all right through there.
Yeah, but YouTube's like 15 seconds delayed. Can you hear us on here pretty good if I leave my mic on?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay. Oh, because
That's
of
the
your
microphone,
headset.
yeah.
Microphone through your headset. Here. That'll work. Roku gave it all back, and so did Tesla.
I don't think coin's gonna give me the pullback I'm looking for in the next 10
It's
months.
also this is a real.
Well, I sold some. I'm gonna let these gains go away.
All right, futures are getting ready to test 44.11. We should see a little bit of a pullback there before we get continuation and a true breakout today. So our dip buy opportunities should be approaching here.
What is this? Come give it all back. Come on.
Yes, you don't.
Oh, gosh.
They're saying who's next to Avery.
It's time. No one's seen my face much, I guess.
That's fair. I was gonna say y'all been giving me all the screen time. Gosh, I'm waiting on AMD to wake up.
I'm sidelined.
What you say?
No.
I'm on the sideline.
Ah, okay.
You got cash. I'm down to play a 0 day here still. You just gotta get some dip dives.
You guys see profits on Tesla.
Yep.
I'd sold 25%. I need that one. I'm gonna sell my whole position. Well, I could get back in, I suppose.
Keep an eye on those freaking futures. I want to try to catch some 0 day spy calls. Tomorrow over 33 now.
But said Avery was definitely on Disney Channel. He plays in High School Musical. He's Corbin Blue.
And say, how I figure that out?
It's really not that much of a delay on YouTube.
Dude, SPY like actually does it.
Yeah, SPY, Tesla, and AMD are top of my list right now. Should head on to MR a little bit longer.
Any alerts yet?
No. It's never a good thing.
Good news is we got in-house tech today, or in-house IT.
Yeah. All right, let's see if Tesla can create a flag here.
Dude, Tesla that got bought right back up.
Yeah, I'm watching 690s.
I personally think
I don't even know.
right, like
Let's look at AMD. Or more. Oh, that would have been a nice 5-bagger.
man.
Mara?
It's at 33.30.
What's coin at?
It's too high up for you to try to play it.
I just want to know how much money you missed out on.
260. It's up $10.
Oh, I had 30. That would have been 30 bands.
Oh well.
Oh well. Moving on.
Tesla's gonna take another leg up, I think.
I would have been up almost $6,000 from this now.
Is that Anthony?
Yeah.
Yeah. So much, Anthony. Not good, dude.
It's my favorite answer.
No clue, dude.
What did he say?
He said no clue.
There's nothing wrong with being honest. This would be
how
wrong
much
if I were
I
to
would
by the way.
short this.
I'm keeping an eye on Tesla. I think continuation's coming. Volume's still solid on this 5-minute candle. We'll see this next 10 opens here. Because this could be where the pullback comes on.
Tesla's almost over 690 again.
Yeah, Tesla's gonna go. Probably flags.
Yeah, it's gonna flag and then it's gonna go. Probably another 30 minutes. Struggling to get over the 688 here.
Futures are setting up to break out here in a moment. Yeah, it
So good.
broke that daily downtrend.
I can't even. What are we even? Can I get my revenge on Caterpillar today, or do I just let that die?
You leave it alone.
Should I yell into it, Avery?
Which one?
Oh, never mind.
Oh. I don't know about that one. Because I had resistance at right where it's at. It's right in supply right now. So I'd be patient on that one too. See if it, you know how MAR typically reverses in the morning and bases and comes back mid-afternoon? Ain't even listening to me.
Upstart's up $10.
Were you in that movie Holes, Avery?
Chill.
Rapid call flow for Baba.
Yeah, I'm good on that. I'm not
I
touching
just
that one.
watched that the other day.
You did?
Major flow. Rapid call flow for Baba.
I'm not doing it. I don't trust Baba enough.
Over 166.35. Everything's making the same thing. It's just doing a little false amigo action.
There's the pullback on Tesla I was expecting.
Yeah. It's gonna go though. These candles are weak.
Watching 682 AMD picking up momentum again. It's probably gonna fill that wick like yesterday morning. Oh,
Snow.
Jesus.
Snow. Sheesh.
Here comes the breakout on the Qs, ready? I just took a short position on spot.
What?
Yeah, that's a good idea. It's only one contract though. 441, it's got to go 130. It's like break even right now.
Tesla flagging on the 5. I really feel like AMD's gonna go for 105.48 today.
Oh my gosh, no, still going. What the? Bro. I actually from the back on that one.
Nothing. Anybody went right back down. I thought Roku was going to go today.
This guy bought
Actually,
275 puts at $1.
Keeps bouncing on
That's
this 345, 450 support. I don't like this rounding action in SPY. Tesla doing it too.
We're doing fine on futures. Tesla's flagging.
Yeah, that's fine.
Anybody else have a delay from speaking them on YouTube and in here? Maybe because I haven't.
Oh, no way that thing's trying to run.
Just have it muted on YouTube and listen to Discord.
I mean, YouTube's just if you want to see our faces.
Yeah.
Hey, Ant, this one might interest you. Watch for Head and Shoulders. This set up around 210, 213 for Upstart.
We're talking about it yesterday, actually. Sure. Oh, I see that. I went to reject it, though. I shouldn't push it. This
647.50. Something go.
Play that cover postal.
Yeah. Nice.
I'm just trying to play Tesla here, man. This thing looks like it's going to go.
I mean, I can double down on my Tesla, throw 200 contracts on it.
I don't know if that's necessary. Got to get over 690 for Tesla. Be an hourly breakout and a daily breakout. Looking at the EMAs. Jesus, Mara.
I'm not gonna lie to you, Mara is looking nice.
It's looking insane.
I had 3250s this week. Tesla just broke the downtrend. So now it's got to get over 68, 689. It's going to go. I think I'm going to get more.
I'm going to take a start.
That was up 17%. I'll post it.
I figured you would.
What? Rapid flow. Oh, you're okay.
Man, Mara, 3350. AMD over 105.
Roku's jumped $2, $3.
How about this?
SPY's futures breaking out right now.
All right, I'm hopping in AMD 105s. Target's 105.48. And I got to start on Tesla.
Futures just broke out.
I figured they were going to. All right, we're about to test all-time high anchored VWAP here in futures at 44.19.
Oh my gosh, that went crazy.
Rapid call flow.
Rapid call flow up 34%. That is such a huge jump.
Tesla going in futures.
It's going to go. Futures needs to break here. 44.19 is anchored VWAP.
Alright, prepped another 10 racks on Tesla.
Alright. Yeah, that thing's gonna go. It's just a matter of when it's gonna do it.
Stealing out of Java, taking profits.
I need something to drink. These cups are so tiny. I should have brought my own.
Yeah.
Where are you guys?
What'd you say, Ant?
Where are you guys at?
In like a tucked away corner of the lobby right now.
It's because we're brown and they wanted this in the back room.
My God. No, is it? Damn. Alright, okay.
Oh, Facebook's ripping. No, not worth playing. It's gonna find resistance at $1.
Darian, did you get the rapid flow?
Another rapid flow.
Major flow. Rapid call flow for MSFT.
Microsoft? Isn't that 300?
Major flow. Rapid call flow for MSFT.
Hey, you can get a
But I wait, I'll watch it.
Major flow. Rapid call flow for MSFT.
So it's at 301. You know the 295 calls I opened yesterday for Microsoft for 7 cents each. That'd be $6. Yeah, it's gonna try. I don't know what happened so this time was driving me
Yeah,
nuts.
cool, but I am glad I cut that short. I just sold a little too early. I missed on.
All right, Tesla, let's get over 690 here. Next resistance is gonna be 694 with 690. What's up?
We get rapid flow.
We had it on Microsoft. I mean, we had it on Microsoft and Baba. Baba hit like 35%.
I put 30 into it now. I put another 11 into it.
You know what?
Tesla. So hopefully it doesn't reject here.
Hopefully so.
Who was that?
Sig.
Sig, I thought you had stuff to do today.
I said I could, yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
No,
all I know.
it's not.
You can just hold that trailer.
It's not. Electrical candle.
I could come down to 680. Just a heads up on that.
That's fine. 100% win rate for sure.
Look at this sun.
Oh my gosh.
There must have been. I don't know, man.
Okay, Moderna's up a casual $10 already.
That's not.
Oh wow, Moderna broke down trend and I ignored it. Oh, that inverse head and shoulders is beautiful.
Well, they had PR on Wednesday. So, I don't know what's going on.
I just took my profits, yeah.
It took on there with which one?
Hold on.
There's no way it's not. It's picking up everything else.
Yeah, but I'm doing the commands, it's not working.
Snow down 8% on Cleveland research. 3%. Seems a little harsh. 9%.
Uh-huh. I missed on that going for this thing for contract.
So it was
Microsoft 10%.
lucky break for us there.
Oh my god, this thing.
It's ridiculous.
So, like, the rep, those things are
Not like church.
It's out of this world how well it hits.
You just have to just wait for it. It always goes up and just dips and then it takes off. It's ABC.
I might have to widen my watch.
Way too early.
Hey, what's going on?
How's it going, man?
Good, how are you?
Come on. How's it going? Dan, come on.
What's going on?
Hey, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
See you.
It's good to see you.
Money making Dan.
Money making
More coffee.
You get here.
I could do this all. I could sit here all day and trade.
I know. Dude, if we ever had like an office we could go to, we'd sit
I know. Which we gotta talk about, bro.
I know we did. Oh yeah, you told me about your progress.
Yeah.
this has got to be the last leg on spot here.
Tesla rapid call flow. Tesla.
Major flow. Rapid call flow for TSL.
Oh man, that is
That's huge.
my favorite.
690s. I'm here for it.
Today?
Yeah.
Alright.
685s.
That's exactly what I was looking at.
I got
That's what you tell me in the morning.
Last night.
Okay.
How about you? No, I got in pretty late last night. So I flew to Chicago.
I'm taking all the major flow this morning, so I'm just
Yeah.
this paper trade account.
All of it?
Every single one. $5,000 each.
Easy.
Just see where it goes. What? Paper trade.
Casual.
Well, shoot.
Wow, Facebook gets a short on Uber to the gap below 39. This thing is just not gonna hold at all.
Wow, Facebook. I didn't think that was going to go vertical like that.
Microsoft 15%.
Jeez.
AMD approaching 105.48 resistance. If that gets over 106, that's easy calls.
Nah, I got it. All right. Thanks. Damn, dudes.
I say kitchen closes in 7 minutes if anybody's getting anything else.
Check profits and Microsoft.
Or you just happen to do that. You just
Then do those rapid flows.
What's that? Calls on AMD?
Microsoft's morning.
For resistance.
Yeah, there it is. So 22%. That's fire.
Q's have a big gap too.
Like 5 minutes.
Well, it's just gave a short on Lyft.
5, 5, and like Tesla did in 10.
Well, I mean, so Uber's gonna go too with it.
But I'm already up 10
Decent
on the day.
selling on Macy's as well.
It's been 25 minutes.
Broke back under
Absurd.
break down to
Yeah,
news.
I should stop.
Oh my
But I
goodness.
have this giant position in Tesla.
Really?
What is that?
AMD. But that downtrend yesterday came back, retested, gone.
It's kind of nice having a station like that, though.
See, this is where issues happen.
BXX is
You do so well the first hour, and then you get bored, just trade the rest of the day. And then you get caught.
at the 200 MA on spot with 100. It's
I just
resistance.
like the other day and just
Just
left.
one video. Look at that thing.
See, I don't want to chase NVIDIA.
You might want to.
I'd rather play AMD.
He really looks really good, too.
ARC is a short below 115.
Tesla, this 10-minute candle, as long as it continues to doge down here, we should see a solid reversal. Oh my goodness, AMD. Should have held those 105s longer.
Dude, Linux is going crazy, too.
What are you on Zillow for? Look for a house?
Am I in the one?
Yeah.
It's already? I'm surprised I ain't gone first day.
Well, it's literally like today is first.
Oh, really?
She said it was something a week ago.
Oh, I'm sure.
Don't you hate that?
Oh, dude.
It happens way too often.
That's not coming back.
Let's see if I can find
Look at Microsoft.
Probably not.
Yeah, I'm not even sure what the hell it. That was a major missed opportunity.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. Never mind. I'm not
It was. We could have bought it at 288 yesterday.
Oh my god, no, it's below 250.
Major flow. Rapid put flow for AAL.
Or days breaking out.
AAL, not Apple. Airline.
No.
American Airlines.
American
Back up to high, go to bounce.
Seems weird.
It's such a weird strike.
It's right at support.
Dude, I'm telling you, there's something about singular rapid call flow that doesn't work as well when you get through.
Yeah, what's that?
So resistance.
Is it the N1 or whatever?
Theory is going crazy. That's not Sirius X.
I didn't know if it was.
As much as we can, that is actually.
This has got to be a fake out candle here on Tesla.
I don't even pay attention to it. I don't know what it does at the time. Why it sucks for coding too, because you don't have the FN keys, right? What? You don't have the FN keys or anything. No. I mean, I have the option keys.
Wow, Mark got bodied.
Yeah.
Myrna.
I was Windows guy before. The transition was a little rough. But how long did it take? About 6 months. So I got used to it. Actually, if you documents, you can buy the Windows keyboard. Right. Yeah. But still have them. You need code base the first month.
Tesla given.
They're burying Tesla.
Too much call.
And no sign of a reversal.
No, it needed to hold that 688. Etsy's got a tough candle though.
AMD pulling back off supply. New 10-minute candle in a minute. Tesla need to reverse on that one.
I could have just cashed out.
Oh,
Did you give it back?
I'm down to 85 of it. Oh, what?
Etsy's breaking out.
No, it's no place. Yes, good.
Joe is like, I mean, if it doesn't hold here, then it's going down to like 234.
I don't even know what to say. I'm just sitting here watching snow drop even more, and I'm just seeing that 280. Oh my god, that just like, it gets me sick. I want to throw up. I just missed. I missed on so much right there.
Tesla with anchor people.
I missed on another 7K.
I have a Tesla 50 EMA as well here.
Yes. Having it gone down.
It should be downtrend break. Back above 682, it should be good to go. Yeah.
AMD is all gas, no brakes.
There we go. Come on.
I try to average down there and only filled one.
Yeah, over the gap. So actually not.
Futures could be setting.
Another leg. Dude, I'm telling you, V-shaped recovery. Every rising wedge will get broke to the upside. Dude, Tay Mark about to hit 34. Sorry for talking you out of those.
King still looks good.
But Bitcoin is also a resistance right now. So
I'm also very interested in Snapchat right now. Snapchat.
I mean, these things are.
So not working? Oh. Is it, do you have to just flip the switch?
No, you just put this in here. I don't need my laptop.
So,
Hey, look at Snap Go. Look at Snap Go. What are you looking at? 7-3?
Once it breaks 72.50.
Should. I mean, it looked like it was a rising wedge, then downwards and bouncing back. The hourly looks like a bear flag, though.
Coin breakdown. More Tesla.
680 strikes. Okay. Waiting for the kill candle.
Microsoft spike.
So, of course,
I don't like it.
I saw Microsoft so early today.
Yeah, it went nuts. It's still going nuts.
yeah, the 6 total.
Futures approaching first target.
The Qs are about to hit the gap. Oh, getting the Uber alert. 39.60.
Who's got 4 inside cameras?
Yeah.
Maybe I'll catch the reversal on PLTR actually.
Futures at high.
Let's
427.
use Tesla. Take my profits for the day. Yep, I just did. Rapid flow did not work there.
It's not that.
Or I have a 78.
I'm getting out of Tesla.
I probably just got it at the bottom. I'm telling you right now.
Well, this should be a double bottom here if it bounces. It has to get above 683 again to reclaim the daily breakout.
My concern is just a sell-off. If SPY decides to reverse at any point, Tesla's dumping first.
That's my problem too.
Super good so far. Higher and higher ticks.
Microsoft back at daily high.
I think AMD's gonna let go.
Ooh, Microsoft.
Don't
What
like
the? This is 304.
them to see.
Amazon or Google doing anything? Oh, Google. Yeah, Google's moving.
I need to see that over 27.55.
It's up $30 from start today.
Rejection.
Tell my boss and I check my emails and get back.
Just see some volatility today.
Yeah.
The monthly expires today, so
If Netflix gets over 548, that could be a nice long with some 550s. Looks like it's flagging pretty nicely.
Not too many of me. Go for people who are in my job.
Yeah. So you can't follow.
I can't completely turn it
Check
off.
out.
Now it's working. I got the bot working again. Cool.
people like those were pretty happy.
Boeing is still dumping.
I think this is going for that full gap fill now.
Yep.
Right, I think that's
Should bounce on 6787.
straight up? Nope, that finally pulled back. Okay.
It's a falling wedge right into the gap fill. Literally the tips of the gap fill.
Apple should be good. Did they get it up here yesterday? I think so.
This one looks like it's gonna have a pretty decent setup here. Just waiting for the floor to start coming in. The FX is trying to hold for the last adjustment.
Oh yeah, VIX loss. That's all of that.
Very good. 148 Apple should fall.
Q's is in the gap now.
Careful holding it like 150 after 12.
Actually, yeah, I will wait right now because things look like I'm about to pull back. But look, what's the gap? Or there in the gap actually.
Alright. Gonna roll with some AMD 105s here. As it
This retracement
pulls back
likely
off of this breakout test.
One Tesla bounce.
Amazon back up 32. Netflix just has that look like it wants 550 plus today.
Like Tesla. Markets at all time highs. Tesla's at all the days. Maybe they'll $50.
They want us to react.
To what?
They want us to do reaction videos, like as content.
Okay, that'd be fun.
React to the worst trades ever.
Keep dropping everything, dog.
Trust me, though.
I think I'm just gonna go. That's my number one.
Apple?
Yeah, I'm waiting for it to go. 148.
Netflix over 548 is a play. It's a 554.
Yeah, over 148, you got something there. So I can get behind over 148.
I was down for what 119 basis points today, and now it's up 60.
Yeah.
Right.
Dude, I'm telling you, I feel like playing Spy every single day. Easiest play. Once he picks its direction.
Yeah, once it picks its direction, exactly. You can try and guess it, but it's just. And the daily, it's back up to 9 EMA, which is.
Just real tight on this flag here. Once 352.
They'll probably pin Netflix. They're gonna let it get over 550.
On that rapid flow, I'm taking everything today. It's 116% right now.
Oh my gosh, it's a 304 now.
Wasn't there a Microsoft?
Yeah, I was going to take that.
Right now, flat. I'm down a percent. Tesla's down 40.
So we just lost 50.
Yeah.
You wanted spoiled milk?
I'm pretty positive that's what she asked for. I thought I heard somebody ask for spoiled milk. Netflix testing at 548 level now.
Hold this Microsoft rapid.
Oh yeah, this looks good.
Yeah.
Are you in it? Are you waiting?
I'm waiting for a break over 548.
Good idea. Why did it pump yesterday?
I mean, it was a technical breakout waiting to happen. Is my opinion.
So yeah.
Okay. I didn't know corporations paid for it either.
Guess I can get a premium subscription for.
AMD dip buys up 15% now.
Apple's about
Oracle call for the snow.
Major flow.
What?
Oracle call alert for snow.
Yeah, I'm buying that call alert for snow. Yeah,
Oracle call alert for snow.
260. I'm gonna take it right now so we don't miss it. Snow.
What?
Is anything gonna reverse it here?
What are they seeing that we don't see?
The fact that it's down like $15 today.
It's 827s, right?
What I mean, it's down like
Oh, it's down like $31. They're probably like, it's gotta buy.
My concern with that is that it stays flat down there.
Yeah.
Like that is like an earnings drop.
yeah, it's probably
Definitely waiting for a big usually.
I'll tell you right now. Just keep dragging this.
take it away.
Yeah.
So start
You don't see too many of those. I guess they want a short-term balance.
$6. Looking at $6. This morning.
Oracle call alert on snow.
That's what the trigger
I
was.
think that one.
I'm gonna wait maybe till next week. I mean, I could see this coming back to 255, 256.
I'm waiting for the next.
AMD's gonna leg up, Tom.
The volume.
Yeah, 250. Likely.
255. Oh, you're talking about snow.
Yeah. Should be a more fair doji, potentially, on snow.
AMD breaking out.
Long-term flow. Leave call alert for Baba.
Trash.
Wow. People keep trying to buy the dip on the thing.
Pools. They don't know what they're doing.
I don't think they're gonna let Netflix get 550 today. As much as I'd like to see Netflix make that breakout, I don't think they're gonna let it happen.
Yeah, I don't know. It's nothing small.
Come on, AMD, we want 108 today. Let's get a 5% day out of you.
There we go. Now I'm moving.
Back over.
AMD's going.
Yes, sir. If it gets over 106.18, it's a full breakout.
Yeah, we'll have to put that in there. Hope it works out. We're in patience online.
I like how Tesla reverses right with 5 reverses.
Hey, it's gonna. I mean, it can't go. It'll be a 15-minute chart. I mean, it's just straight up.
Yeah.
It'll retest, but it depends where. I mean, either here or 73 flat.
All right, Netflix back at 548.
Snow falls up 15% since Oracle.
No way. I think that's
You take one?
I took a couple of shits and giggles.
For zero GTV, but next week. Zero GTV. Okay, yeah. I'm only up 5% on extra.
what a green candle too. Just like
They should be 52.
Completely
Yeah,
reversed.
that's insane.
Netflix over 548.
snap, you need 73.
Netflix is going for a full scale breakout.
Up 16% there.
Nice.
Snow's up 24%.
Trying some Netflix 550s. You said how much?
Snow's up 26% now.
Well, there's no
140.
entry, Anthony. I got in at almost the low of the
Why did I just
day.
One is
You can hear about it, you know?
Yeah.
I mean, we both made like we're like a month.
Yeah, 24%. That's your call out.
If you don't focus too much on what you could have made, you're not gonna pay attention much on what you was made.
Snow 2.2 more meaning call sweeps is coming.
Dude, that oracle called the bottom.
Oh, Roku. I told you it was going to go.
Undertaken.
I didn't deny it.
Did you get in?
No, I didn't. Playing AMD and Netflix. Roku's gonna go. Netflix should go.
Tesla could
Speaking of
be-
Netflix,
Say you're about to get Apple for 148.
Yep, I'm getting into that too. No, I think it depends on.
So, what, 20%?
You got it?
No, it's up 35% on the 0 days.
Yeah, 0 days, but I took what exactly the wall said.
I looked at the 250s when I called it. They were $2.30. They're now $4.20.
Horrible call every
No.
Stop.
Another one?
Yeah, same strike, same. Yeah,
I'm in. We've never had back to back.
Alright. I'm gonna hit the next one in a second. Measure the first one.
I've never seen
I'll take
two.
I've never seen two.
You're in snow.
We just had two back to back oracles for the same strike.
What's an oracle? I've never heard of that.
Go to Major Flow. Oracle alerts are over $1 million in premium, and they're extremely unusual orders. They're extremely aggressive as well. So those orders are designed to be a day trade or a 1 to 3 day swing. And like I said, they're usually out of the money. They're all out of the money, and they're short term expiration.
The original
Netflix
snow
550.
now is up 65%. Wow.
Yep. Rapid and then Oracle.
Rapid flow.
Rapid flow is
straight.
So here.
Hang on.
I don't know if you can.
I can't wait.
Yeah,
Okay.
Alright. Taking some profits now. Can't leave 30% on the table.
I like it. Above my stop loss.
Yeah, snow is up. Yeah, probably so.
Trying to figure out where's that horse at. There we go.
Anybody need to drink anything?
Could you give me some water, please? Or apple juice? Vodka?
Later.
Hey, thank you. 2 bands on Snap. I got drinks for you, right? So I just was on Snap.
I'm just gonna walk out with the more than you walked in with again. Netflix tried to see 555 to do.
Dude,
And I'm like,
snow is going up. I put 5K in the second shot. Wow, that's already up 20%.
Netflix looks like
I missed.
No. Oh,
Netflix was
Some profits. So it's
continuation.
I have 554.81 as a target, so 554.81.
Apple, nice breakout. Up
that's another Tay Magic Apple. Hey, that's cash out.
I know you're not calling it a day. That's cap.
who else has their mic on? A mic on.
I think it's me.
absolutely huge.
It is me.
Okay.
There we go. My bad.
I was like, I'm getting real bad reverb.
Just weighing it all down.
These tables are not trustworthy.
No, they are not. I had to put my sandal under this one just so one
Support it a little bit.
my foot on the corner so it doesn't go.
200 MA.
250 profits in the Apple here. This is 15%. Thank you.
Get over it. 351 is gone.
Come on, Flicks.
Flicks.
Netflix.
Oh. It's actually
What the hell is Flicks?
The original snowfall now is up 82%.
The 0 days or the original?
The 0 day. The zero when Oracle has bought 2 contracts, so it's just a market. 82%.
All right, I'm taking quick profits on Netflix. We'll consider re-entering on a retest of 550. Even 548 would be better if we get that. Oh my goodness, man.
Did you see your picture in there?
Yeah. That was perfect.
You did people now and like, damn, that's the new.
Damn.
Damn. Alright, I'm gonna catch that second. You just doesn't matter.
You gonna try to catch the knife on Tesla?
No, I'm not. I'm like, everything else is doing well. I hate it when one ticker drags everything else down. It's like the freaking spoiled apple in the fruit bowl. It's Tesla.
9 times out of 10. I appreciate you, by the way.
Yeah. Yeah, that apple call is spot on. I think it's I might swing.
Shoot, I'm still holding those 150s for next month. I mean, next week Apple would be clear to go after they held it under 150.
This is good.
Exactly how you called it, Sig. If you're still there. He is not.
It might be muted.
He had to take his brother. Remember? He had to take his brother to like college and like Sig has been a great addition. Yes, that was a good one.
Might go right to 149.50.
I'm only now an Apple
Right,
in my original sell position. I have 2 contracts.
That makes sense.
I really wanted SPY 0 day calls and I didn't pull the trigger.
SPX 0 day.
You addicted to SPX now?
I am actually like SPX in swings because it's like it just seems to continue. If by SPX like within 5 minutes after close, you can really figure out where it's going to go.
Okay. Does that go for 15 minutes like everything else, like the Qs and SPY?
All the ETFs and everything.
It's probably better there. About to get out. I could have taken profits.
Apple's still moving.
Go into cash.
See if it'll bounce here. If it doesn't, then I'll exit. It's okay. Yeah, just done 670.
Where is futures at?
Yeah.
I don't like that. Futures is at resistance, guys. Do be cautious if you're in long positions.
Taking profits across the board.
Pretty much just over here.
Bro, if I didn't double dip in a Tesla today.
The double dipping costs.
I really want to play snow series.
I agree on
See
Tesla.
what happens. I don't know if we're gonna get there.
It's like a admin club, pretty much in the 5 minutes.
That's another rapid flow. I'm gonna lose it.
Major flow. Level 3 bearish put alert for you.
So they're hitting airlines hard. AAL rapid.
Market flow. Level 3 bearish put alert for SPY.
That's a weird date too.
So that's good.
That's 9:30. That's not so weekly.
That is a weird date. Okay.
430 puts.
Futures should see. I think we're going to see a pullback here on futures, and we could come back down to 44.10 or 44.18 and test the all-time high anchored VWAP as support.
How should I have known? My 300 back is soft call. Like, I was up like, I sold like for like 150%, but how would I know to just keep holding?
We just charge that.
Always get back in.
I just don't know how
They
they
should be able to hear us now.
Ah, there we go. Okay.
Okay, so you still want to use it for like first hour of the day.
Wait, I muted myself when I heard the reverb, and then you muted yourself too.
What time is it? So I need, it's better if you
Last week it was 9:46.
yes, the first hour. So at 9:46,
Double time.
it had just broken over VWAP.
Nothing wants to ever break that for me. So just take the rest of the week off.
I think I would have sold there just because if we break over, it's over we get crossed over with our 9MA, the lower time frames. We don't really have a reason to sell with
Make some March money today. That's about it.
That's what you need, man.
You take casino money.
We kind of just
I'm gonna have to go put in work tonight. Might have to go rob that place.
as long as it's holding above VWAP. So it's just
Gotta love when the bottom candles on the soul counters are like the smallest, the biggest. So like, just got this giant red candle.
Tiny little bit of volume makes no sense.
Bro, I wish I could smile like Avery.
What are you talking about?
He said, I wish I could smile with you.
Oh,
Rowley.
Thanks for the love.
I'm so proud of myself.
Like having a conversation about that.
It's just where we're at.
I don't think it's, yeah. I don't think
he
it
was
was
better talking to people.
Yeah. Plan two's either what time?
So the first real thing is at 3.
Yeah.
First real thing is at 3.
That's one thing we should do.
Lower type stuff. And then
Before you do that. Because we had this, but I need more. No. That's, you still be flying.
Video's still going up. Yeah, I was really expecting AMD to take a little more part in that. Why did you get coffee before they turn it off? God.
coin's flagging, man.
Facebook's up $3. This is finally where Tesla goes.
espresso.
I'm good. Thank you.
You think? There's an espresso shop around the corner.
I'll take an espresso.
The espresso, you want like my style? It's double on ice. That's it, straight.
Oh my God.
You'll be pumped the rest of the day.
Sure, why not?
You know what? I'll get in on it.
All right.
I need jacked up.
I don't know if you need your heart beat too fast.
I don't need 2 cups of coffee. My wife would kill me. My doctor would.
If you were gonna play Tesla, this is where you'd play it.
I'm not touching it. I didn't put that idea in my head. I really feel like Netflix has one more leg.
The guy resisted, the guy rejected.
I think there's one more leg coming.
BTC. Definitely top enough. If you can hold it, this will be the high wick.
But what Sig just said on top of that, Coinbase looks like it's flagging as well. Right as you pulled it up.
Just be careful with Coinbase. We've had a rough experience with that one. Riot looks pretty good though.
Maybe our next TFC summit be in Cleveland. Lovely Cleveland.
Send us.
Oh.
It's going to be pretty cool. You can't plan for that. And it's real good. Out of the money.
Yeah, we can stay at the.
A little heavy.
What's the name of the place? And some less with all the roller coasters.
It'll be able to push over 150. So if you
Cedar Point?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cedar Point's legit.
My brother lives up in Indiana, so he's told me a lot about it.
That's awesome. Tired or sore?
So it's going to push.
I don't think
Having time.
like 352 is about it.
So I don't know if you get there. For Facebook.
Zoom finally got some life into it. Probably won't last long.
Down for like 4 months.
Yeah. Exploded. Same for Amazon. I mean, Amazon is going to get on the daily. It's been how I always get scared when I see like that much flow. Because you know that it's just going to
Roblox.
Oh my god. That was
funny.
hilarious. For a random call.
Yeah, she was probably like, what is going on?
What does it matter with Roblox, bro?
I mean, honestly, Roblox has an inverse head and shoulders, and it's massive.
Don't tell man.
Hold on. Are you kidding me?
Did he check Roblox before he walked outside?
I mean, I've been watching it, but that is funny.
right.
Dude, I might take Roblox calls.
Remember said, yeah, I mean, over 84.
It's easy 86 right there after that.
Could be.
Question is,
Next week. Dude. Dude, man, can you hear me what I said about Roblox too?
It looks nice.
It has a beautiful inverse head and shoulders, and we're talking like a $10 one.
$10. You just said $2.
10. The next target's in $2.
It's going,
That might make the newsletter.
I think it's going to 100.
I do
You gotta
too.
write that
Check
down.
this out, Tom.
Or tomorrow. We can write it tomorrow.
Check this out. Let's go to 100. I already have it charted.
Oh man,
I might have to write about that.
you wouldn't have to do any work. You just fill in.
You have to give Kristen.
Gotta get who the shirt?
Oh, the
Girl.
girl.
Dude, everything broke the daily downtrend, so next week's gonna be crazy. Full moon Monday.
But I definitely my this chart.
He said it's
Definitely need to
Dude, Roblox over
84.
50.
It's ouch.
Dude, coin looks nice.
4430 could be top for today for SPY.
Coin over 258 seconds. Next stop 265.
Am I swinging the 827s for snow? I mean, if they look healthy end of day, yeah. If we get the reversal we want, I'm basically playing all of this to be
And Monday confirmed. Fact.
almost coming up on resistance at 148.75.
What do you say?
I said I hate
It pisses me off so much.
Stig, how do you feel about moon cycles?
He hates it.
Do you hate them like we do?
Just, you know.
Yes.
It's a bunch of hocus pocus.
Right.
Netflix is gonna make another run today. It's got another $3 move at least. Like,
March 18th, 2022. It's coming up for coin 270. Those are expensive.
Coin's about to break out.
snow's ripping.
Dude, Riot looks great. No, you have to
Coin looks great.
until it doesn't. Next candle, you know,
So it doesn't. You're right.
coin volatility. This Tesla. God, I hope it does. It's cold, though.
$750. Is that what you have?
It's 257.80.
I'm not seeing
It's in the universe head and shoulders.
I ignored that. Okay.
See that now?
Yeah.
Within the flag. What are you talking about? I'm looking at the 15. You can see the. If you look at it on the 1, you can see it better.
It looks like free money.
105.
It's no. Double work. It just got in. I just feel like we're not going to let us go until next week because again,
On
everything.
Oh, yeah. I can agree with that. That wouldn't surprise me if they held us down.
St. Ethan, you think that all these formations are going to wait till next week to break out just because of gamma?
Yeah, probably.
Coin breakout time.
Coins going. Yeah. 58.
I called 53. Bitcoin's gonna go to 53K on Monday.
Probably over the weekend.
Yeah, that's my target on this one.
With Bitcoin being this hot, it's going to be the hot thing to play this weekend. Everyone's going to play it.
I'm gonna swing Coinbase and Mild.
Yeah. Riot's higher shorting trust, just FYI.
I see, right.
Did you notice this?
March is nice.
Yeah, I did.
Huh?
Yeah, that's why I wanted to swing it yesterday because it was a daily breakout.
Yeah, right.
Makes sense.
Tomorrow's hard copy.
I had that charted. That's why I played it yesterday and made a bunch of money. But it didn't swing. Should have swung it.
We're all serious scarred from swinging.
Yeah,
I'm sure.
swinging really is better. Ridiculous.
Average
That is.
why do you have to average down? It was up this morning.
Tesla down 675.
You're asleep.
That's 254 now.
Insane, man. I should have slept on those.
I think
That was a buy and not even think about it. Oh, dude. Mamba's gonna be upset. He loves it with builders.
Oh, he did this too. I'm on play.
He loves those. Mamba.
Pashi.
Yeah.
Pashi or Pashi? Probably need to.
It's a
But it was so low.
LOL, Coinbase, you're a joke.
It rejected.
Yeah. I hate this stock.
It goes when you're not in it, and when you're in it, it doesn't go.
You know exactly what I'm talking about, Sig.
Did you get in for this?
I tried.
And it didn't get in?
I did.
Oh, did you get out?
Yep.
Oh, wait,
Dude, snow's going nuts.
Thank you, sir. Did you hear what I said about the watch stand?
I'm gonna buy some just because.
Just because?
Yeah, because I saw some girl on the street with a Roblox.
That's how I invest too.
It's a trigger.
It's a sign. Hey, look, that truck says Miller. We should buy Miller.
Roblox. I never actually. I didn't even have this sweatshirt.
Got the Harley Davidson museum down the road.
That's public, isn't it? It's hog or whatever.
Isn't it? There's a
Whoa.
We're gonna take that. What? It's strong?
so good.
It's straight espresso.
You're a coffee.
Yeah. Espresso is like where like
You try to drink
press
scotch?
coffee down and go.
Yeah.
This is not like scotch.
I mean, I could do it, but it's not.
Yeah. I just don't need that much. I like drinking a lot of coffee first.
Woo! Sheesh.
That'll wake you up.
Sheesh.
It's so bitter.
Oh my.
Is this like a crappy scotch where you gotta let it melt down a little bit?
It's actually Turkish coffee, espresso, straight on ice.
That's like jet fuel right there.
Imagine we got wireless.
Yeah, I wish I didn't sell that.
That's supposed to be like the basic blue.
It's like the second time.
I can't catch a break.
His name's Corbin Blue from High School Musical.
I can't cap 2 years ago. I was here for Halloween.
So they said were you careful?
Feel too bad I don't know who that is.
What was his name? Zero?
Zero?
Yeah, Zero. Yeah. You look more like Zero than you do Corbin Blue, in my opinion.
Yeah.
Yeah, look.
I don't know which is.
Taylor. Is that what Amy looks like?
I'm going home.
Come on.
Where you going?
You're trapped. You can't go nowhere.
God, never.
Yeah, that's my Uber.
Where did Anthony live?
New York.
Too funny. Who showed that on the street?
That's Thomas.
Just getting disrespected out here. I'm gonna stop handing out plays.
It's not disrespect. Dude, Hector Williams, aka Zero, is the savior of that show. Or movie.
Dude, Zero made that movie.
Dude, yeah. I mean,
AMD breakout.
Yeah, let's say.
I mean, Shia LaBeouf
I'm playing one of
is.
the sixes.
Shia LaBeouf is.
I look part Asian.
Married that chick up the mountain.
Yeah.
He said white people. He barely spoke too.
I know Wish is on the ban list.
Wish is on some black list.
What coins at 259?
Oh, CJ made a good point. Earnings next week for Snow. Just a heads up.
Casino coins go down.
What day?
I might take a stronger.
Dude, it waked you out.
Of course it did.
It didn't break support. I don't know why you sold.
What are you talking about?
That's never good. It's never good to start a position down immediately.
Yeah.
Those trades
I
are.
think Microsoft's done.
Depends, so you can't time the time.
305 is my time. So.
I even check on all my positions. Dang, Snow's back up. Oh my god.
Good lot of.
AMD might go for a big breakout.
Those Oracle alerts are 32% and 26%.
Jim,
It's like stiffing it. It's like,
I already paid her
The
too.
Bobas are down.
I say like a little position. Yeah,
Bob
it's
Rack.
good. I'm not looking at it now, but
Jeez.
Dude, those oracles might go in the money today.
and then Bitcoin, I'd say everyone's bullish on that over the weekend. So I mean,
Coins at 365.
I really don't want Roblox to break out today. That is too perfect for next week. That is too perfect for next week.
What's your next level on Snow? I don't know. They tagged me, but I don't have it up. I got 257. 257. My level. I don't. It's just a previous level. I haven't charted any ones.
So plus side, Snow's holding support.
Yeah, 257.80.
I think it can come up to. I think this thing can possibly come back to 260 today.
267 is my high target.
It could see possibly 262 today.
261.
Nah, they were asking about it though.
Snow's rounding.
I think it can see 260 today, man.
What's that right now?
Money.
Sounds like for BAC.
I don't know. It's got major resistance at 256.
I think it's about
More
to open up.
snow flow coming in.
More snow flow.
Those anchor VWAP.
August 27, 260.
Snow would have to flag here for a little bit. So the reason, maybe I'm going to show you something. When you get these giant sell-offs like this, typically it'll retrace the 24% of the move, and then it'll flag down there, create a better flag, and then sell off again. I think it's
Right.
showing
Go.
So if it doesn't get over the 786 over here, then it'll come back down below. But it looks like it's going actually, so we might get lucky here, which would then bring us to 259, 257, and 259.
I think it's going to. I have 258 on the 5.
So Tom, what you're saying is something like that is 24%.
So it's a 21.4% retrace, which is just hit, but it's breaking through, so it might continue going.
It's a monthly contract.
Yeah.
It needs to get over 255.50 now.
They had okay earnings. It's selling off hard.
I do think the news
Over.
is oversold, so
What?
No, bro, down.
Oh,
yeah,
really?
snow's going.
Those
It's good.
articles are crazy.
Yeah, it's up almost $10.
53% on one of them and 40 on the other.
All right, one rule of thumb: if we get 2 in one day, you run it.
Well, it's only one, but there's 2 oracles in a row.
We got 2 today.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
Oh, okay.
We've only had 2 oracles in a row, basically.
That's like a level 10.
Damn. Fuck, dang.
Herbie, 45 calls
Tesla ability offering Morningstar.
each.
No, you won't.
Coin wants to go so bad.
It does. It's flagging above resistance.
I mean, adding calls.
Roblox is over 84.10. Over 84.50. That's key.
Why do you mess with Tesla?
Yeah, I'm not gonna look
No,
at it today.
you want to put it in Roku instead.
Or AMD, because it breaks over
Roku
1.
hasn't gone yet. AMD
Okay,
does
here's
it
our
amazing.
rounds that we were looking for.
No, we're back.
See if we can get
Going.
back
I
up.
noticed Myrna had a big reversal too there today.
So what?
Moderna had a huge reversal. It's back over 380.
Little thing. Coming up
Yeah, I did. What about Sherline too?
top we get today. Down
Snow is up $10 since Oracle.
38.
Those
You're supposed to sit that too, Tom.
not with the way I'm feeling.
You're feeling weird now. Just wait till that kicks in.
Dude, I drink monsters every day.
Just when you piss and it smells like fuel, don't worry.
It's like jet fuel.
Be all right.
It's not
So,
working. Yeah.
the one thing that's good about snow is it's somebody else just $3. No, like, it's not a bunch of people buying, it's just one big bet.
It's likely one person. It's 2 separate ones, but it's likely the
It's
same
probably
person.
the same institution. Yeah. And it's probably someone that's. It could be someone that's long and forgot to hedge, and so they're trying to make it back up. I have no idea. Yeah,
83%. 50 on the other one, basically. 75 and 50 on
yeah,
the
this is legit.
It's crazy.
That's insane.
Thumbs up, says whoever in here. Was that Genie? What's that?
You did say it was breaking out.
Yeah, I bought it right as it was like,
He said that. It's weird. It's like, I know people by screen names. It's like Gene, not a mod. Like, you have to, like,
everyone's sick.
I know six really.
just.
What's the
Cigarette.
Ask me.
Sig is trying to see that. He's calm. Calm.
Oh my God, Mara.
Oh god.
You're running.
I wanted to sit last and sleep. Now I'm like,
Why did I sell?
There's an MFI sell signal point.
yeah. I mean, what's the use?
My
Why
Mara
didn't
levels
you
are up
sell it?
300% if I hold on to them.
You trade on Weeble?
No, I use it to scan.
It's going nowhere fast.
Weeble took away my options.
Look who we replace this
Your ability to trade options.
No,
with. HLT is
the what is it, live options data. I'm not paying the $2.99.
that's GLT. Oh my god, look at HLT.
Snows at
Is
57.
everything in the gap or the
Oh, I just want to. Can I take it for you?
it's kind of good.
This is snow trip free today.
So look at IDB.
November 19th.
Movie at 6%.
Oh, that's what you said. Look at it. That makes sense. Dude, do you think this thing's gonna recover that whole move? Nah, I'm a darn ass to get over 390.
Gee, just.
12.74 million free blood in those scores.
Look productive, yeah.
Can't stop.
Okay, Sean, you want to take longer? You smell that one? You guys won't like that.
Action shot first.
Action first.
Why is Ride up 13%?
All right, now you
What do you mean?
You said Mara also have like 10%?
Think how much you had. Think how much he's had. It's crack. Tom's done. Avery's sipping.
I told you I didn't drink coffee like y'all did. So this is strong.
I
for
have
me.
one of these like every day, and it takes a while to get used to this.
Don't
Oh my God.
Who's staying with Tommy?
Hey, Sasha.
He's still sleeping.
He's still sleeping.
We wore him out last night. He had fun though.
Dude, Sasha was having a ball last night. Nate's asleep too.
Nate sleeps for like days at times.
What is
so.
All your
I'm still in, yeah. Look at the 5 minute chart. It's just going crazy. That
Is
time
it
to
a prerequisite for a coder not to be awake before 9 a.m.?
They stay up till
Obviously
4
not.
a.m. and then they sleep till noon. Unless your name's Ahmad, then you just don't sleep.
Yes.
As long as I get my 4 hours, I'm good.
4 hours.
That's about what I woke up at. I think I woke up at 5 a.m. and the was Tesla's at. And it was up like $1, and I was like, I went back to bed. I woke up this morning. It was up $12. I was like,
Put all these in.
Yeah, I woke up and looked at it in the morning. I was like,
and then it was just like, nah, not for
Not at all.
I
Not
mean,
today.
it's just tough knowing to sell when it's like 6 in the morning.
Well, you think it's gonna go all day, and then
Did you sell
it?
any?
Yeah, I did. And then I went back in.
Was those
The double dipping rule, I'm telling you, it's painful.
No. Well, it was like flagging.
Dude,
It was
Wish
really
is
nice.
nonstop.
Yeah.
Wish going up there.
It's
10%.
Wait, so is it
Yeah.
It's definitely.
Well, everything's green and then AMC's red. So, I mean,
It's always
It's like
has a
this.
good day and the next day.
Yeah.
Russia has
it's like,
They got quiet really just to do the funds.
trying to find it there. Where was it?
Nice.
It should tell you how much, how many insiders do you. Institutions own 104% of Wish, according to Weeble.
How much? You say 104?
Tell me how that's possible, besides synthetic shares.
It's not.
You know how that's possible? What, 105% owned by institutions on
As if anybody two?
synthetic? That's what I was guessing.
How tall is
6'11".
Getting tall.
Dude, he got asked that last night.
Sick.
5 seconds to the casino, the guy goes, bro, I told you. Bro, did you
Because
see
like
the
a guy that was like 5'7".
Yeah.
He's like, dude, let's go play ball right now.
Or the girl that walked by and goes, "Damn."
Yeah.
Dude, it was so funny. We had to have the tax girl come by, I think, 10 times last night because we kept making too much money.
Yeah, bro, it was so bad. Literally 8 times. She was over. I had to tip her every time.
She gets so mad. Well, how many times do you have an attendant come over? 9 or 10, probably? 8?
You guys had fun at the piano last night?
Yeah.
Now I know how to avoid it. You just don't bet that high. You do.
Is your mojo
It just
bad?
kept pumping you.
No, I lost 500, but I had fun.
If you win 11.99.
Oh, so
They made
you
5
kept cashing out? And you just hit the voucher, just kept earning thousands? Or was it after she
Dude, I'm telling you, it's the touch.
The touch. I hope it works today.
It works. It's worked for you since Vietnam.
I was actually even when we were leaving. Like, I did a neighbor where I put 500 on one hand and lost it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was able to broke even. So I had 1,000 down on one hand,
Yeah.
and I hit that. Well, I had 500 down, and then I doubled down, and then it hit. And then I had to pay taxes on it because it hit.
Did you have them with them?
If you make over $1,200 on
I thought it was 1,500.
in Wisconsin, it's $1,200.
It's so stupid though, because now, like, I put in a lot of money, but I'm gonna end up paying taxes on it. Unless I get it good. Did they give you your social? Yeah.
They make you take it. They make you have it.
What?
You know what's so hard.
So you have an extra.
I didn't know that was possible.
I just feel you.
They just want like 8 digits. 8 digits. You just did they ask you, did you actually give up your social security card? No. Exactly. Wow. Dang it. They're just on a requirement to ask you for it. I'm not gonna say that.
Ah.
I'm gonna run away.
Does it get taxed as capital gains? Because I think you could write that off for some stock gains.
Well, it's capital. Sasha was saying if I say my account without waiting with I left this 8K, but show that I left with then.
Yeah.
So
Just as we had
I was in knowledge.
Ask CJ, too.
I need you to help me out.
Dan, you gonna play some blackjack with us tonight?
Probably
The electronic.
It's digital blackjack.
It's not so bad.
And actually, I mean, I thought that too.
It was pretty fun when you get going.
Roulette is fun because it's real.
Yeah, that was good time.
Well, the craps is real too, but it's weird.
It's like the plastic ball.
Yeah, they have like a little, like, they call it. What was the game we used to hit? It with like pops of dice.
Trouble or trouble? No.
No, that's a. Sorry, I don't know. That is trouble.
It is sorry.
Sorry.
No, sorry is the card game.
Oh, that's what yeah, it was trouble. It's trouble. I mean, it's like,
Yeah. And it would pop the dice.
3 dice. The charter. No Ruby and
Where's Analyze? Stop watching.
Triangle. Like if you guys want to play safe, you can go for next week.
Is it
79.
Yes.
yeah.
100%.
Bruce.
He really does.
Then look at his picture.
I know. He used to be like, what?
Some Cleveland girl.
So LBS for the second.
Oh, we don't have Darian to.
Darian's in the route.
There is no fight.
Did he make his flight?
According to him, he boarded on the right time.
You went through quite a kerfuffle.
It's an interesting one.
Nothing was going to keep me from the TFC summit. No rainstorms in Denver.
Did you have to? How did you get up here? Uber?
Yeah,
I just don't.
So our
plane here, you should go back to
you know, they take off the tarmac, and you sit there on the tarmac for 2 hours, and then they cancel the flight. So they take you back.
I mean,
And I Ubered to LAX,
trade starts
Red Eye
going
to
to Chicago.
Chicago,
It's not a
and Ubered out there this morning.
Says you're
Or they will cancel one way? Or do you have to pay for a two-way?
No.
Is that what the price is, though?
Am I crazy for thinking about Mara or Lieutenant 380 calls?
Say what do you think about LBS?
What?
LVS. That's 2 bearish or 2 bullish for Fortuna. Las Vegas.
Oh, okay.
Holy crap!
As well.
It's a double Fortuna.
Yeah, it broke down on a falling wedge too.
Well, detail. I've got the flow on.
It's touching
That's what
2020 March lows.
I'm shaking already.
Typical forecast for lift.
For lift, there was a short alert for snow and lift on alerts. But I don't know if there was flow for it specifically. I don't know how their algorithm counts it.
Gotcha. No, I was a little, like, it was just bothering me the entire morning. I was trying to find if there was an alert here or someone else said it.
Yeah, no, there was a alert.
Gotcha. All right, okay.
Microsoft routing top 10 Fortuna. Take profits.
Yeah, coin faked out everyone too.
So you're saying short Microsoft is what I heard, Dan.
That's what I heard too.
Where the hell do I have it at? Should be in my blue chips.
305 was on top, so yeah, that makes sense. It should come back down to 302. Test that out. Then maybe bounce back up to 303.
I didn't even realize I had a good look at that.
Yeah, Netflix looks good here, Julian. You can play that down to like 541, 539.
Microsoft back to 300, you think?
Friday with happiness. It's
Julian.
looking good. It looks like it's doing straight up in person here.
Huh?
Let's see if we can get for
It's good life.
AI.
Why not that 2 star hotel?
Well, yeah, but I've never had like hotel.
Contracts look nice too.
I jumped in Microsoft puts. It's so funny. I don't think about that like the other side. But that's right.
You ever that's what I get on myself a lot about is because I'll exit a trade at resistance and I'm like, why don't I buy puts right on the flip side immediately?
Yeah, that's already printing.
Honestly,
Yeah,
I
man,
was
it's
thinking about
305s.
that too, and what I started doing is I remain on the day
I don't
trade.
think they let Microsoft close over 300. I don't know if they let Microsoft close over 300.
What would
I highly doubt they'd let it.
Tom.
Look how much
This?
open interest.
In a big
305.
room.
Yep.
With proper
monitors and
and a little hot thing giving us espresso.
I love this espresso. I take we meet in your coffee shop and you. Yeah, we. I think a TFC meetup would be cool. But just say, hey, we're going to the city for this weekend. Come if you can.
Moderna over 384 can go to 388.
That's something like that.
Yeah, Tesla was kicking the nuts the second time.
Why is the flow command working but the sentiment command is
Again, just like double dip.
No, I'm wondering why our bot's not working. Looking at you.
So it's actually, it's green. Is it? Oh, it says,
Ahmad, do you know why the flow command worked but the sentiment command would not?
If it goes to that 30,
It just seems weird, doesn't it?
I'm going to report that 4500.
Well, it should be
What
all
channel
or
you
nothing. Newsletter.
Here for it.
Super successful. Yeah.
Oh, wow, Moderna, nice push.
You got me.
Thanks for pointing out IBB for me.
Mm-hmm. Did you get it?
Not IBB, but I'm up 24% on Moderna.
Yeah.
What Microsoft puts on.
Dude, FinTwit is so funny sometimes.
All these guys.
It's almost like that guy.
Don't worry, Tom. If I try to sentiment command, it probably breaks in it.
Everything kind of lost a lot of volume here.
you only broke
I only wrote this other 7 commands. Yeah. The Ortex.
Tesla knife by 3, 2, 1. There it is. That's the knife by right there. Just finished the though. If it doesn't bounce here, you short the shit out of it. Get there.
Yeah. I think I'm going to swing. I could actually make trade to
It sold off so much that it created a gap.
Negative for about 30 point at
Dude, look at this.
Is that low volume ticker? Yeah.
Look at that gap on the 5.
That's huge.
That's huge. On an intraday, that's a 30-cent gap.
Market reverse. They said you're watching 21 Savage and Ryan Reynolds live trade.
Fun fact, I was 21 Savage for Halloween too.
Really?
Yeah.
He said if you squint, it's 21 Savage and Ryan Reynolds. Raul called you cute. I'll take a dude's called you cute.
What we got?
Late puts.
Long-term flow.
Oh, major.
Lead was alert for GL.
An Oracle alert for Tesla? What is going on?
Yeah, it is.
Major
Oracle Tesla, 680s. I'm hopping in it right now.
TSL.
No way. All right.
I'm taking everything today.
I just said if you were going to knife buy, the exact moment you would buy Tesla. Did I not just say that?
I'm buying them right now.
Let's do it.
27.
I literally just. Oh, I was muted.
No proof. No receipts.
I was saying at 675, when Tesla hits that gap fill, this would be where you would buy it. And literally a second later, the Oracle alert came out.
I'm taking $5 grand worth.
For next week.
I'm taking all of them on a paper trade, like all of them. Everything at major flow.
Oracle usually start like 50% positions. Watch it.
Add
Push out.
I just don't want to have to swing it.
Your mama's gonna be pissed.
That's 3 in 1 day.
Alright, I need to make an Oracle alert name because people ask about it way too much. Do you have that screenshot still?
I mean, just go to announcements or the pin messages, one of the two. Just type in Avery Oracle.
People are getting too used to getting things handed to them.
No, I mean, there's nothing wrong with explaining.
You're gonna have to scroll quite a bit. Oh, never mind.
I have a pivot at 671.60 for Tesla, and it looks like it's heading
I would
that
just go
way.
to the last page.
I mean, what is so hard about a rapid flow? It's rapid flow coming in. That's what the alert is. There it is.
I saw a little bit of it, but yeah.
We are discussing major flow overhauls this weekend, so there's going to be some nice updates coming through soon. Without overselling it. That's all you need to know. We're trying to simplify it while making things more useful.
Yeah, I'm not touching Tesla. I'm not having it.
What do we think about Moderna comeback? They just broke over the 200 on a 5.
I mean, I'm already playing it right now, Julian.
Did you say
I've been playing
that same thing about snow and then it moved $10
Right, break it up.
with the Oracle alert?
So,
It's like I just landed and there's so many Oracle alerts.
so the thing with Moderna is that they're starting to make change this week. That's quite a big catalyst. It's just that their vaccine might have more side effects than we thought. So you got to just outweigh what you know what's more important here.
Oh my goodness, Moderna.
Just money right there.
I kind of wish I bought more contracts. This thing might try to push 688 or 388.
I had to break it up.
I keep moving my stops up.
There, there's now an Oracle command. Oh, Tesla broke down the Oracle command.
I think 672.
They're trying to make an HIV test.
Oh my goodness, Moderna. Come on.
Gap fails, so you guys usually just go to 5 minute or usually go.
MFI bot. Tesla.
You guys are just looking. Oh man.
Just can't let it go.
makes sense.
Roku finally finished that filling that stupid little gap in half.
Still moving stops up on pairing here.
Okay, tilty. Only legend if you want.
That headfly thing.
Maybe I'm not bad.
It's like Oracle headfly is like one match. Yeah. It's no.
All right, my stops just got triggered on Moderna.
Price action.
Watch your Moderna to come back and test morning highs. If it holds that, then look for continuation. So we want to see it hold 382.91.
Sure.
Protein bars.
Damn, I brought the Blanton's that you bought me. It's only got like this much left though.
Well, thank you for saving like
I also brought the bottle of Doer ever tried.
It's not Blanton's. Blanton's I've never had that.
You've never had Blanton's?
No, that.
Oh, $400 bottle. There's enough for us each to have a glass though. So.
It's not even about
Dude, this just smells like a headache.
And nobody.
Well, even like when I ordered it, like they had to source it from like Arizona and import it from Japan. So it took me like a month to get it.
We're not mixing that.
No, it is by far the best bourbon I've ever had.
By the way, printing is
We need to be careful that
What'd you find out over there?
doesn't.
So what'd you find out over there?
Looking into the sentiment thing.
Oh, I just heard like a light bulb moment.
Are you? Oh, they're working. This is actually.
Yeah, he's working.
Yeah.
Can I ask commands like? I want to make double command.
What do you mean?
So like when two trusted traders are on the same ticker, that's like an automatic. So we need like a exclamation point make double.
I like that.
I don't know, maybe I should.
That's easy. I can make through this one. Yeah. That's not his. That's like clear that one.
I'm in the.
You're the dollar sign.
Yeah, I've been too early, sorry. Coffee's been causing that.
Oh. I thought. What is this one? The only one about? I have the other one. Oh.
This one can break that 258. You whipped it twice.
That's supposed to be nice fat green candle.
At least they're really cheap, so I can go in on like 307s or something. And probably make up some profit while keeping them open just in case. So like 5.
My vote for indicator of the year is 6th anchored VWAP.
That's amazing. Bottom of
It is.
It's money.
Look at snow. It's going to punch through too.
You guys take a mouth from this thing.
Yeah, how do we get our BHB notes that we were looking for?
Tesla 700 next week for anyone who jumped in on the Amplify buy and or
Coins would be good.
We posted that in the live channel. Access, so hopefully whoever heard it voice heard it. It's a good bounce though. The next zone is 262.45. If we can get over this way, that is. But the volume is really bad, which is making me think profits here.
Listen, every time you push this to the main branch, it breaks the bot.
I have a feeling it had to do with Dickon
Well,
because
tell him to stop.
he's the only one that's been messing with stuff.
But he pushed a couple of updates yesterday and
What's it?
fucked up the
5% for
price.
tax.
Now, the sentiment is not working.
I'll send a picture of the buttons that I'll be showing later. I could raffle off the bottle. Isn't the bottle alone worth like $100?
Yeah, be careful giving away liquor.
No. The empty bottle is worth money. For real, it's a collector's item. Because you can't find
I
it.
could refill it and sell it because nobody knows what it tastes like.
I know what it tastes like. Just refill it. What is it?
I may or may not have a client that does that with Grey Goose.
Grey Goose isn't even considered like the best.
I know, but like all the young kids, they want bougie drink, right? They want Grey Goose and Red Bull.
Yeah.
So you just go to Costco, you buy that.
I used to be one of those kids.
More Microsoft bits are coming in.
There's something about when you go to the bar, Grey Goose and Red Bull. It just sounds cool.
Goose in the bowl.
No reason to
No lies, I had a box of Red Bull last night. I remember one time I drank 13 Dr. Red Bulls and I woke up to like a pool of blood coming out of my nose. That's way too many. That's when I found out 13 is one more than 12.
Sam, what
is the
that say? Double?
That's the one.
McDouble.
A big double. Okay, and what do you want it to say after?
They're asking for a Zuma earnings play today.
Like something like
100 clicks going to zero.
It's like because it's like two trusted traders that agree on it. Like I remember one of
Just
the
McDouble.
greatest plays ever was Bob and agreed. I'm like, yeah.
Yeah.
Although I listened to versus them, so they've been getting more people.
Yeah, when are we gonna finish?
More people and stuff. But doing well.
It's starting to break down already, but the previous counts.
So I'll look for it now.
Yeah, Blanton's used to be cheaper, but there's a lot of whiskeys like that where they start out cheap and then they get real fame and then they raise the prices. Tito's is like that with vodka. Tito's used to be super cheap, and now it's like $30 to $40 a bottle.
Tito's was smart because they rebranded their marketing effort and said, "Hey, we're gluten free." Technically, most vodka's gluten free. They just marketed it.
Well, they saw the fad, in the trends. Everyone wants the gluten free.
100%. So when you see a fad like giving out plays, you gotta capitalize.
We'll say, just had my daughter tested for celiac, and she came back negative.
Thank God.
No, she's been having some stomach issues, so we got her tested for everything. They still haven't told us what it is. But celiac would suck. It's expensive.
Yeah.
Alright, check the
I have a friend who has it, but she's
Tell me to change it.
My teeth are like chattering. I can't stop. For that coffee? Yeah. Like that thing's got my whole body going.
Have Dan give you one of those little bottles to cool you down.
Bottles of what?
He's got some plain liquor.
I'm not about to remember planes. Would you like? It's actually rum from Puerto Rico. It's only good in Puerto Rico.
I did bring my Flavier sampler kit of the rum, the really $100 bottle.
Big fan of rum.
I have found that buying expensive rum is not worth it, though.
No, but you have to go and get the rum that they
I think it's
That is reversing nicely though too. Tesla is reversing nicely. Over 676.34, you can go to 677 where it should find some resistance.
But overall,
One of us. We both had on last one.
Mine shouldn't be on. Maybe it's just the noise in yours. I thought I had to turn mine's down. Mine's muted.
Mine's on. I had mine on as the main one.
How?
Yeah, exactly. I didn't hear that.
Do you have the YouTube up too?
No.
he works for Microsoft.
How, Sway?
Oh, mute your. Here,
Oh,
mute the
I
sound. And just listen to the sound from mine.
When did that unmute? Like I just sat down.
All right, trading some profits in Tesla.
I'm muted across the board.
You have the.
I bet you because you're streaming.
That's the other command, Tom. Stay fluid.
Oh,
Stay fluid. All right.
About to go.
I'll get you.
I really want to go down that road.
You do what?
I want to get
45% shorted.
Oh, like a gift?
Yeah, that's a double bottom.
I should have a wrap. Okay.
It's very stressful. We've got M sweepers coming in, the 24 for 17. So it looks
I
like
want to try to catch one more leg on Moderna and mostly call it a day.
Zigzag down. Zigzag down.
Double zigzag.
Could come up to 37 if you get lucky. Could make you return here.
Yeah.
And think of it this way. This is the monthly, so next week would be when it would go.
I wonder if that's a 1-2. Is that a 1-2-1-2?
So look at that. A, B, C, D, E.
Oh, wow.
Don't forget to say all yours.
Sounds good.
It expires.
There's the flag. It's the tip of it.
Let's play the breakout.
It might take.
oh yeah,
It could go. Okay. That's what it is. The monthly, the week after the monthly September expiring contracts, that's when it's going to go. So
they go to 0.
Why is that? Because it's brief.
Because you'll have the normal squeeze combined with the short squeeze. So
That makes sense.
let's see here. So is like
Do you want to test in the video?
Moderna looks like it wants to make another leg up. Needs to get over 383 here. 383.75 and get it around a 388.
That's really cool.
30,000.
Yeah.
But half of them are puts.
That's cool.
That could squeeze big time.
Yeah.
Actually, put the logo actually the start on that one.
This is what interests me the most.
I like this DAL flow.
So that one I
it's
want
very
to-
cheap.
Exclamation point.
September 10th,
44%.
Let me check out the chart before I just
It keeps going
all
up.
the way to this.
100% utilization. Ahmad, you'll like this.
Oh wow.
Your next short squeeze is going to be Blink.
Yo.
Blink. 100% utilization, 44%. And it's at an ABCDE like bounce on a double bottom, combined with a weekly flag breakout.
Across the bar is high too.
So what's the short at?
44%. It's
I like 1,000 holes in this.
I love that. Thomas.
Yeah, hang on, I'm showing it to Dave. Alright, Dan, take a preview shot.
Are they cheap?
It's what Dan made and sent it to me. But when I do use these, stay fluid, my friends.
Very nice. If you guys want to know what I'm, well, I guess you can see it on my stream, but this is my chart. So I'm going to set a breakout alert for it. But you can see the daily downtrend
Moderna breaking
should
out.
retest the weekly retrend around 35. And then if it gets over that, it can
Over 385, it should make another $3 around to 388.
You already know that last couple weeks.
IBB is running too, so that should help continue to carry Moderna up. IBB's flagging, I think. Yes, it is.
Look at LABU.
I am deep in 385 Moderna contracts right now.
LABU.
Hey, do we like these DAL?
Oh, what the? Oh, wait, never mind.
Yeah, bullish.
Airlines? No, the flow has been extremely bearish on airlines.
What about today?
Big full profits on Tesla.
Didn't we get a bunch of level 3 bearish alerts and rapid put alerts on airlines? It looks like it's bear flagging in 1 hour. I can see that it's going up today, but
Yeah.
it looks like they're all bear flagging. I need someone to buy like $1 trillion worth of Tesla right now. Make it go to 900.
Get a S&P 500 day again.
Did you buy some of that next week?
No, today.
I sold on today.
This has not been my week, man. This has not been my week.
Gotta stay fluid.
Indeed.
Dude, I've had a roller coaster of a week.
I'll be drinking.
I've had a roller coaster week.
I'll be drinking some fluids tonight.
So what I've learned this last week is cash out every day.
That is a good model.
If you get
I wish I
stout,
stuck to that one.
Did you catch Moderna?
I just actually felt yes.
It's running
So
out.
it's gonna push me back over to 10.
388 is the target, but I'm keeping stop losses tight.
Can't wait for the last 15 minutes where everything just goes to shit.
SPX puts.
Oh, my Moderna stop just filled. That's unfortunate. I wanted more.
Nancy Pelosi purchased 1.5 million of Nvidia.
But when was it? Because they can be deleted.
She purchased Strike 100 expiration September 16th.
So she bought before earnings.
I mean, they're deep in the money, but
Someone said I'm gonna name my son Oracle.
Nothing wrong with that.
Anthony,
it's like crazy.
shop was looking to break out right now.
Hopefully this double dip here doesn't burn me.
Dude, I love these new top OI, top volume commands. Shit.
Yeah, they're good. I like them.
I feel like UPST here, to be honest. I'm gonna switch over to it.
Ma, we got some really good ideas for you too. We were talking about last time.
Yeah.
So for like delta and gamma hedging, and
Yeah.
because I think you've been well.
That's a separate topic, but yeah.
We'll talk about it tonight.
Oh.
There's some good ones.
Ah, there we go, Moderna. That's the move I was expecting.
Also, we're gonna play a game later to learn the password for the safe house.
You just tell us.
No, you gotta hurt it.
Earn it. Yeah, exactly.
Just enjoy it. I don't think it's maybe. I wonder if it.
I'm just waiting on the next flight. We've got some positions open still. Upstart with everything. So.
What's it at?
You know what?
Careful. 201. Oh, you think about short on it?
I was gonna suggest you could probably.
You just have to pass the clearance test. They know you're not a double agent working for the government.
I failed that.
You do work for the government. No, that's where we're going.
Oh, that doesn't badass. I like that bug.
It's like. You ever heard of this?
Oh, okay.
What's your price target?
That guy drives me up. So, I don't know who it is.
I found a bathroom picture in his house.
Probably not.
Come on, Burt Reynolds. That man was a beast back in the day.
Teachers are looking really good here.
Dude, I don't know if you're gonna find the password online. I think they do a pretty good job.
I have support on futures sig, where we should see continuation at. We can come down to 44.20, I believe. 44.18. The lowest is 44.10 before we run back up. What are you seeing?
I don't think it's just flagging you.
I think it's making a flag, but I think it has one more leg down before we get a larger flag.
A little rectangle there.
Yeah, Dan, I don't think you're gonna find it online. I think they do a good job.
Dude, snow's all over the place.
I think it's about to leg up again at 259 here on snow. I'm telling you, those oracles are going to go on the money today.
Tesla Oracle starting to bounce.
Who's in it?
Yeah,
Pretty
it wasn't
hard,
incurred.
Yeah, it's a Tesla.
I just
It's a good thing we didn't get it straight down.
Yeah, that thing is struggling right now.
Look at that ascending triangle. Like, that's what's been happening all week, though.
Oh, that is beautiful.
You see these beautiful ascending triangles, and it just breaks up.
Well, maybe you got to think of the flip side how that can actually swing the rising wedge.
No, it's a flat top with a ascending triangle. Like that's like 80%.
Well, maybe that's the pattern they're breaking down now instead of
That's
pennants.
Apple.
Keep that in mind. What if that's the pattern they're breaking down now instead of pennants? Because it was pennants for a solid 2
It
weeks.
was. All pins were better.
probably just 5 shares of this.
I'll play Tesla if we can get back over 680.
I was talking, we were talking about this last night.
Yeah.
Gamma exposure, where you see pennants going into like the max pain, always break down.
Yeah, because they have to short the stock.
Because that they short them and they trap people to make more money.
Dude, take bars up 11%.
So if you see a pennant or like
I sold it open.
bear flag or a
I was
bull flag
gonna
or
show it.
something going into,
He was going to get in, but I told him I think it's top.
there's actually a higher
$2
chance that it
later,
breaks off than
the
not.
calls are at 400%.
Smart trading.
So, all right, well, that Tesla worked.
That's why like we want to start doing some more like building into the bots and alerts more gamma and delta because I think that would help improve accuracy.
Tomorrow, thanks at all. I'm getting in.
Dan, you still in your Microsoft?
Do you like trading 3 white soldiers on the daily deal?
Those are going
I feel like
pretty
that's what it's going to do over the weekend because I think Bitcoin's going to keep going. Because when I walked away earlier, I was sitting there and I was thinking about buying slaves. I might do it before close. And we know it runs on the weekend.
Yeah.
And I have a target price of Bitcoin of 53,000 before it pulls back. 48, yeah.
More about it later. Yeah, Anthony always wants me to play Uber puts. I do hate Uber. Uber's going to 0. I don't want to hear anything else. It's going to be a penny stock in 2 years.
Alright, Sig was all over that.
Hopefully you got out of your Microsoft puts.
Most of the time for everything.
What they're about. If you wanted to catch a knife on Roku, this is where you would do it.
I might go grab lunch in like 30 minutes.
It's kind of brief.
Did you not eat?
I didn't eat breakfast.
There's a deli and a Jimmy John's a block down the road. If you want to, and then there's also like
Jimmy John's?
They're at half a mile on that wall.
there's also a poke bowl place too down the road.
That sounds gas. So good. Also, one is it's like poker. It's like white rice, edamame.
Darian will be here in 20 minutes.
Uber.
Where's Nate? We should text him.
He's probably asleep still. Man, sleep. He didn't sleep. One day he just sleep 20 hours.
I look for
Alright, I'm pretty
a little bit faster.